Hi and welcome to Twin Cities Italian. This video is going to show you how to pronounce Italian sounds. Now that you know the alphabet and that you have an idea of how to pronounce each single letter in Italian, what happens when we combine these letters? What kind of sounds do they produce? So this is what this video is about. We're going to go over the sounds of the letter C in combination with vowels, the letter G in combination with vowels, SC, GL, GN, and double consonants. Let's start with the Italian letter C. What happens when we combine C and A? Well, we get ska. Chi and O, the sound is ko, and chi and u, the sound is ku. So we get the k sound, a hard sound. What happens when we combine chi and e? Well, the sound is chi. Chi and e, the sound is che. What if I want a hard sound with the combination of the letter chi and the vowel E? Well, I need to add an H. So in that case, it's going to be pronounced K. And I can do the same for E. Chi, H, E is ki. So what the H does, in combination with chi and the vowels E and E, it gives a hard sound. Here are some examples. Casa, costa, ciao, cena, chi, perché. Now let's take a look at the letter G. Now G behaves exactly like chi. So G in combination with the vowels A, O, and U, the sound is G. So ga, go, gu. But G in combination with the vowels E or E, the sound is J. So G-E, G, G-A, J. Now, again, what happens if I would like a hard sound with the combination of the letter G and the vowel E or A? Well, we just add an H. So by doing so, we will get G and G. Some examples with G are gatto, gelato, giorno, spaghetti. SC. What happens when we combine SC with the vowels A, O, U? Well, the sound is a hard sound. It's a sk sound. So, for example, scala, scuola, bosco. When we combine SC with the vowels E or E, the sound is a sh sound. So, for example, sci, scena. And now let's take a look at the sound G and L. What happens when these two letters are combined together? They produce the ly sound, ly, which is really unique to the Italian language. So let's start with the simple L. For example, in the word figlio, double L, think of where your tongue is actually positioned in your mouth. If you say figlio, it's kind of behind your teeth. But now, if we substitute a double L with a GL, your tongue is actually gonna rest on your palate. Figlio. And that's the difference between the two. So when you're trying to pronounce GL, figlio, foglio, gli, luglio. Just be aware of where your tongue is positioned again in your mouth. And you want to make sure that it rests on your palate. Taglio. G and N combine together. What kind of sound do they produce? Ñ. Ñ. So, for example, signore, sogno, ignorante, gn. Finally, double consonants. In Italian, all the consonants have a double correspondent, except for the letter Q. So how do I pronounce a double consonant? Well, the trick is to hold your breath for a moment so we can hear that there are actually two letters instead of one. For example, sette, mamma, nonna. So here are a couple of examples with one consonant and a double consonant. Sete, sette, nona, nonna, mamma, mamma. Thank you for watching and contact Twin Cities Italian if you have any questions.